Hi there, my name's Jack. On this channel I will be drawing custom artwork for use in print-on-demand designs, or anywhere that you would like to use it. Everything I draw for this channel will always be 100% free and available for commercial use. Simply request a piece of clip art in the comments and I will draw the best ones for a future video. Please note that anything I draw will be available for all to use, not just the person that requested it. I love drawing and I want to share my cartoons with the world. I've also done print-on-demand and selling clip art, and so I thought this would be a great way to give back. To get the ball rolling, I have a pack here with different dog breeds as well as some dogs doing activities. I do have a clip art store I just opened on Etsy where I will post art from this channel as well as unique illustrations you won't find here for those who want to support the channel, but that is not required at all. Art from this channel will always be free to download from the description. Another way you could support the channel though is to like the video, subscribe with the bell button, and then you won't miss out on any of the free clip art I'm going to be publishing in the future. You could also comment your clip art requests for future videos, and those could be simple or really niche and elaborate. I'll see you soon with more free clip art.